What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Ashenbar production, and today we're going to be talking about this Browning pocket knife. So let's get into this video. So this is the Browning pocket knife. I can't really find anything on price or anything about this knife really. When I look up the model number and stuff, nothing really pops up. And yeah, if you want to try to do your own research, it's model 978, and you probably could maybe find it somewhere, but I'm having a hard time finding it. I'm guessing it's from Dick's or something like that, because I got it for a gift. And yeah, but the knife comes in this tin. Cool little tin. You can put it in like a display case or show it off or whatever. It says Browning and then a buck on the front. And then we open it up, the knife's in here. This knife is kind of showy, like a show knife. It's not like a knife you want to be rough on because it is a really nice knife. The handle's wood. Or at least I think it is. It's kind of hard to tell because of the metal backing on the back. But I'm guessing it is wood. Or it looks like it's real wood, but I think it's wood. Feels good in the hand. The metal on it is nice. Got an antler right here. And then, yeah. The nice closing tab here, which most knives have the same design. I guess if you want to open it one-handed, you can use this little knob here, but you can do it. You got the clip it in your pocket. Overall, it's a pretty nice knife. I don't really use it that much because it is pretty nice with the wood handle and stuff like that. So now I'm going to do a test on a stick. Show you how sharp it is. Right now it's not that sharp because it's kind of dull. But yeah. I'll move this stuff. But it cuts pretty nice, actually. It's really well made, actually. But I'd be guessing this knife would be around like 30 bucks. But yeah. Has a good design to it. Feels good in the hand. There's no like play in the handles. You can tell this was put together real nice. And yeah, maybe they discontinued these. This is maybe why I can't find them anywhere. But yeah, if you're trying to find one of these, try to look up this model 978 number and try to find it somewhere. I don't know. It's not on Amazon or anything like that. And it might be like a special edition too, because it comes with the tin and stuff, so I don't know. So that's it for this Ashenbar production. If you liked the video, like it, and yeah, see you on the next one.